Okay, step one on this, the 1025R is due for servicing. So for right now, I'm going to try to get um, oil changed, filter changed, gas filters changed. That's what we're going to look at right now. Get the filters cleaned up, get that front grill cleaned up, get the mud and crap out of there, get everything greased. I'll do the axles at another point in time, but right now I got time to get about that much done. We got about 100 hours on this. Time to give it a service. Hit that subscribe button, please. I need subscribers. So from the pan in the bottom, I pulled the plug out. I had to use a little bit of help here. I've got a little pipe that goes on the end of that, and just a little bit. Plug came right out. This is a 17 millimeter ratchet. That's what the plug is. Just a couple other things on the process of getting there. You know, your hood pops up. There's a little button right here. You just push a screwdriver in, or I use the key right off the tractor. Just push that in there, pop the hood, and then there's pins right here that hold the sides on. So the sides fit, slide into grooves. You turn the pin a quarter turn, and you slide that panel right out the back. Just kind of got to jiggle it a little bit. Don't break anything. It is plastic. It says in the manual that I'm supposed to do maintenance between 200 hours and 600 hours. That's what the manual says. I'm at 100 hours. I'm doing I've seen online where they tell you to do it at 50 hours. They tell you to do it at 80 hours. Some do it at 100 hours. I'm doing it at 100 hours the first time here, and then I'll keep all my data so I know when it was done. I might leave the transmission stuff go to 200. We'll see. But oil changed, fuel filters are going to be changed, air filter is going to be changed. So I've got the box right here. John Deere makes a filter pack. So I've got the filters all original. You put 100, 200, 1,000 hours on one of these, just spend a little extra. Get the original stuff for it. Even if you do the installation yourself, get the original stuff for it. Then you know you're protected. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm going to continue to walk us through the service of this tractor. So I replaced the oil filter with the M806418 John Deere recommended oil filter, and then I used the plus 52 John Deere recommended engine oil. The engine oil goes in. Now this would have been much easier if I had taken the loader off, but the engine oil goes right in front of the oil filter, and it has an orange plug, and it's got the oil symbol on it. So that's all good to go. 2.9 quarts is what it's supposed to take. So I dumped the one in so far. I'm going to dump the other 1.9 in. So we got the oil changed. Now, here is how you remove the dust cover on your 1025R. You pull this latch out. You have to take the side panel off. You pull this latch out, turn it, and it comes off. Now, I'm a little shocked. This one needs some serious cleaning, and I do have a new one to put in there. This is going to get done more than every 200 hours. I can tell you that by looking at it. So we're going to pull this out, and that's looking a little grimy. We got the new one ready to go in, and so I'm going to put that in. Hit that subscribe button, please. Help me out. I like showing you how to do these little projects, but I need to keep increasing the number of people that I have watching. So please hit that subscribe button. So the air filter that they sent me has to be the wrong one. I got 3 of them. None of them fit right. So I'm going to check with the local dealer on that and get the right one. I did blow it all out, clean it all out. I actually had to use my leaf blower, put it on the top, blew it out. Then I changed the first fuel filter. There's a shut-off knob on this. You turn this knob off. Then there's a nut on here. You just screw this nut off. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And that drops down. You pull the filter off. Put the new filter in. And you're all set and ready to go on that. Now, what sometimes people forget, that's the main filter. The first filter is underneath this kick plate or foot plate, and so you got to get that. I always just pinch the fuel off with a vice grips, pull it out, put the new one in, and the new one looks like, because this is all you're going to see on this, I think. The new one looks like your standard type fuel filter, like this. There again, this is all part of what is for a Yanmar engine. So I'm going to do that right now, and that's going to take care of what I'm going to do today. I am going to do the transmission soon, but that's going to be another day and time. Hit that like and subscribe button, and once again, at basically a 100-hour review, this is a great tractor. You got to respect it. They, you see them all over the place where they tip. The other thing I got to do is grease it yet. Mine did come with the owner's manual, so I've been following that, and see, I cut it a little bit shorter for you, so you don't have to go through the manual step by step. But use what they recommend to use for these things. This tractor will last forever. So with that, hit the like and subscribe button, and check out the other videos at Pro the Project Specialist. I hope you're having a great day. Don't be afraid to try things on your own. And they got the tag up here, tells you what you all need, when the service needs to be done, and your regular tag, your ID tag, and that is on the frame right down below, where you see that silver down there in black. So those are the pointers for today. My wife has got something on the Blackstone going, so I better get this done so I can eat. And once again, have a great day. Take care. Hit that subscribe button. All right, I have to come clean. I'm a bit of a dumb shit here. I clamped off the fuel line to change that fuel filter that they put right underneath this foot pad, and yeah, I got a little miscombobulated underneath there. I clamped it off on the wrong side. I clamped it off on the engine side versus where the fuel tank is, and I probably got about a half-gallon diesel fuel laying on the floor. I'm going to let it evaporate, and then I'm going to mop it up. I'm going to keep the door open here as long as I can. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the door cracked open on the bottom to keep fresh air coming in here, so that when I don't have to hit the button either, and land up with the motor sparking and the fumes of the diesel fuel blowing my garage up. My insurance agent doesn't care for that too much when I do dumb shit like that. So, we're all human. We all make mistakes. I've changed that fuel filter a couple times on my 1026R, and just wasn't thinking, I guess. I just got turned around somehow when I was underneath there. Anyways, it'll all be all right. I'll take some sand and clean it up and get rid of it properly. So hit that subscribe button if you've ever made a mistake in your life too.